Hello, this is part 2 for our tutorial on list. So last tutorial we have learned how to initialize a list, how to append or add a record and replace a record in the list. Now for this tutorial, let's see how you want to remove an element from the list. If you want to remove an element at index position, you use the pop method. Pop first. Let's say you want to remove a second element. Use pop. Okay, now 0, 1. The second element is removed. But if you want to remove, you don't know the location but you know the element, you need to use the remove method. Say you want to remove 4. Now you can see 4 is removed. If you want to know, you know the element but you don't know the index, you can use this. But you want to use method pop method, you can combine the two methods. MyList.pop. Then we need to know the index, so we use the index of, let's say, 2. So this is the way we can remove an element from the list. So I will continue for the part 3 of list in the next video. See you.